Okay, so
we were
hi.
canoeing.
We were canoeing. Oh wait, we ought to introduce ourselves first. I'm Melissa. This is Cassie.
Yes, I am
I'm
Cassie.
Alex.
Yeah.
So we were all canoeing, and then we went to stop at this island to go to the bathroom.
Canoes floated away. All of our stuff was in them. They are probably down on that river somewhere right now. Probably flipped over. So
Yeah.
we don't have any materials right now. We are all alone. We have Altoid survival kits.
Yeah.
And there's only a couple of things in them. Let's see what we have. We have, okay, who wants to go first?
I'll go. I've got some fishing line.
Yup.
I've got some fish hooks. Got some backup.
Fishing hook, that's sharp.
There's some matches.
Some twine. I think that's a band-aid.
Yeah, some band-aid.
And I think that's some twine.
Scissors and some twine. Yeah.
We also
That's
have
all
these
I
rocks
have.
from home.
Oh yeah, we all brought
Twine and a
their rose quartz. It's meant to represent healing and love, and hopefully
My
that'll
ankle hurts, so it's
hopefully that'll help. And so maybe these rocks will help us stay together. In mine, I have a homemade plant guide, some scissors. They are meant for clipping your nails, but I don't think that's going to be necessary. I have a box of matches, an entire freaking box. It's a small box though. I have some floss, very helpful. A candle kiss, it's like wax, and I think that's like parchment paper. A napkin, I'm not sure why I brought that. It probably might be helpful. A paper clip,
Maybe for burning.
a golden paper clip, some and alcohol swab.
Just in
and-
case one of us gets hurt.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
I mean, you're hurt, but it's not like a.
Yeah, it's not going to do anything for my ankle. I have a striker right here to strike the matches.
Oh, no, it's on the outside. That's
So
kinda smart.
I have matches, and I took off my lid completely so that it would be easier to access things. I have a pocket knife surrounded by duct tape. That'll be very helpful.
Is that all?
No, I have a brass whistle for signaling. I also have a list of mushrooms that you can eat, and then
Also mushrooms that you can't eat.
2 poisonous mushrooms, and then some more edible mushrooms. That's all I have in mind. So I think we're going to be good on everything that we're doing.
We're go.
We're recording this from our camera.
Yeah. So we're gonna be doing some interviews just so that you guys get to know us a little bit better.
Okay.
So what's your name?
Alex.
Why did you come out here?
My friends invited me to canoe out here.
What's your favorite thing to do in the outdoors?
Probably canoe.
Do you think we're going to succeed in all the things that we're going to try to accomplish?
I hope so.
What made you come out here?
Well, Alex and Cassie invited me to come canoeing, and I just thought it would be really fun. I'm really disappointed that the fact that we lost our canoes made the trip definitely go south. We're gonna be doing some interviews.
What is your name?
My name is Cassie.
What do you like doing in the outdoors?
I like rock climbing, bouldering, hiking, canoeing, things like that.
Cool. Do you think we're gonna make it and we're gonna complete all the challenges?
Yes, I do.
Cassie is starting a fire. Or she's trying to.
Why won't this thing light? Day 2. Yeah.
Day 2. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Why you not like me?
Put it on the stick.
Should we use the candle kiss? Can you burn floss?
I
Oh
mean,
no, it looks like hair right here.
you could try.
Why not? Why don't we try? Here you go. Take a little.
Just put it on the floss and see what happens. So, guys,
Yes? Oh, right, we need bait.
It burned really well. Floss is really good.
Well, good, because I have a lot of it.
Fire burns out. Mushrooms are food.
Mushrooms galore. Sleep tight. No warmth.
32 matches. None of them light.